Way down, born in Dallas, Texas, misfortune seemed to call my name. The clouds crying down, the thunder rain got hell broke loose from heaven's gates. Worked to the bone my whole life, every step was a struggle to fight. Till God came to show me the light, and He said, son, won't you follow this way? And now we're screaming, oh, please won't you come with me back on home and leave with company? Aren't you tired of being treated cold and left for dead? It won't be easy for the broken and weak, but the fire inside's got plenty heat as you're stuck living in a country with the sinners and the damned. Now Jesus said, try your hardest to be your nicest. They'll think you're weak when you show kindness. When it's all said and done, lead a life that you won't regret. Cause I've lied, I've killed, stole, and I've cheated, broken hearts.